SPC is excited to introduce the new 35 Series Next Generation Fully Adjustable Upper Control Arms. These arms feature new premium maintenance-free ball joints, providing easy on-vehicle adjustment and a redesigned boot to repel contaminants. Cross-axis bushings yield trail-ready performance without sacrificing ride quality. Adjustable ball joint design gives a full 80 degrees of articulation, more than any other market offering. Cross-axis bushings are free pivoting for smooth operation and less wear. New ball joints test for wear like an OE component. SPC new 35 Series arms, designed to outperform expectations. Never satisfied with the status quo and building on our experience with ball joint development, engineers went back to the drawing board for further refinements. These included a new stylish yet corrosion-resistant coating to the patented adjustable forged steel housing. A unique one-piece polymer race maximizes bearing surface area with smooth operation and low turning torque. A large 36mm high-strength forged ball stud provides up to 80 degrees of articulation, and most models feature provisions for spindle gussets. E-nickel coating provides enhanced internal wear and corrosion protection on the entire component. Next-generation ball joints feature a newly designed boot to repel contaminants and maintain specially formulated grease within. In addition to the next-gen ball joint, engineers also looked at refinements to the already robust cross-axis bushing. Applying what was learned in the ball joint development, a one-piece polymer race was chosen for smooth operation and reduced compliance. Locking tabs prevent unwanted rotation. A bonded rubber sleeve acts as an insulator from harsh road conditions. The newly designed boot seals against contaminants while keeping grease in place for reduced wear. E-nickel coating provides enhanced internal wear and corrosion protection on the entire component. Like the ball joint, cross-axis uses a specially formulated grease for reduced wear. Together, and along with either a forged or tubular arm structure, the sum of all these components produces the uniquely adjustable 35 Series upper control arm, allowing camber and caster adjustments for lifted vehicles. The trail-ready, next-generation, adjustable, maintenance-free 35 Series control arms from SPC, the result of a relentless pursuit of perfection, and available now.